Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be going over your Monday math warm up, and today is a review of our metric units and finding equivalent units using conversions. And last week we learned about King Henry and how King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And we did a lot of practice with finding equivalent units using our King Henry trick. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk stands for our different metric units. King, K, stands for kilo. Henry, H, stands for hecto. And this is all on your math warm-up slide. There's a picture of this. Died, D, stands for deca. By, B, stands for base units. So we have meter, liter, and gram. So those are the metric units that we use for length, capacity, and mass or weight. Drinking, D, stands for deci. Chocolate, C, stands for centi. And milk, M, stands for milli. So the units on the left are larger than the units as you move to the right. So kilometers are larger than meters, and that is larger than millimeters. So if you have a unit of measurement like meters, you're finding units that are smaller, you have to multiply by 10 as you get smaller. And you'll notice that the decimal point of your original number moves to the right as those units get smaller. On the other hand, if you're going from smaller units to larger units, you have to divide by 10 as you keep getting bigger. Or you'll notice that the decimal point moves to the left as you're converting those units. So we're going to practice that today a little bit more. And our problem today says that we have 9 and, there's that decimal point, 562 thousandths kilometers. And we want to find out how many decameters that is equal to. So I'm going to get out my dry erase marker. And we are starting with our 9 and 562 thousandths kilometers. So looking at my King Henry chart that I drew, I'm going to circle where kilometers are, and that is right here. And I am finding how many decameters that is equal to. So I'm going to look at my chart and I'm going to see, oh, right here is decameters. So I'm moving to the right 2 spots. So that means the size of my units are getting smaller, or I'm multiplying by 10 as I move to each unit going to the right here. So it's actually really, really easy to find equivalent units with metric units. So all I'm going to do is, because I noticed that to go from kilometers to decameters, I'm moving 2 spots on my King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk chart. I'm going to take the decimal point of my original number and I'm going to move it 2 spots to the right. So here's where my decimal point is now. And I'm going to rewrite my number so it's very easy to see where that decimal point is now. And I can see that now I have 956 and 2 tenths. So 9 and 562 thousandths kilometers is equal to 956 and 2 tenths decameters. So the reason that we now have a larger number is because we're going from larger units to smaller units. So we're going to have a larger number for it to be equivalent. But again, it's very easy with our metric units as long as you remember King Henry and can kind of visualize this chart or have it available. You can just see how you move your decimal point either to the left or to the right, depending on if you're going from large to small units, and then you're moving that decimal to the right, or smaller units to larger units, in which case you're moving that decimal to the left because it's like you're dividing by 10 as you're getting to those bigger units. All right, if you have any questions about metric units, make sure you are reaching out to me or another one of your math teachers. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.